Greetings, fellow travelers. I'm thrilled to have you join me on a journey to Lucerne, Switzerland. This charming city, nestled amidst the Swiss Alps and on the shores of a shimmering lake, is a feast for the senses. With its medieval architecture, captivating history, and stunning natural beauty, Lucerne offers an unforgettable European experience. From strolling across the iconic Chapel Bridge to exploring the charming Old Town, from cruising on Lake Lucerne to conquering Mount Pilatus, we'll uncover the city's hidden gems and must-see attractions. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to experience the magic of Lucerne. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Our exploration of Lucerne begins with its most iconic landmark, the Chapel Bridge. This covered wooden footbridge, dating back to the 14th century, is a testament to the city's rich history. As you stroll across the bridge, admire the intricate paintings that adorn its rafters, each depicting scenes from Lucerne's past. Be sure to pause at the Water Tower, a fortified stone structure that once served as a prison and torture chamber. Today, it houses a local artillery association, a reminder of the bridge's strategic importance in medieval times. The Chapel Bridge is not just a bridge. It's a symbol of Lucerne's resilience and a testament to the enduring beauty of this enchanting city. Take your time, soak in the atmosphere, and let the spirit of Lucerne wash over you. And remember, no trip to Lucerne is complete without a selfie with the Chapel Bridge in the background. So strike a pose and capture the memory of your visit to this iconic landmark. Prepare to be enchanted as we venture into Lucerne's Old Town, a captivating labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets, colorful buildings adorned with frescoes, and charming squares bustling with life. This is where Lucerne's heart beats strongest, a place where history comes alive. Duck into cozy cafes for a taste of Swiss chocolate or a refreshing glass of local wine. Browse the unique boutiques and artisan shops, offering everything from handmade watches to exquisite Swiss Army knives. Be sure to look up as you stroll, admiring the intricate details of the building's facades. Each fresco tells a story, often depicting scenes from Lucerne's past, or showcasing the wealth of the city's former residents. Don't miss the chance to visit the Weinmarkt, the heart of the Old Town, where you'll find the impressive town hall with its elaborate Renaissance facade. Nearby, the picturesque Kornmarkt Square offers a glimpse into Lucerne's medieval past, with its historic fountain and charming guild halls. Soak in the atmosphere, embrace the slower pace of life, and discover the true essence of Lucerne in its captivating Old Town. Prepare for breathtaking beauty as we embark on a memorable cruise across Lake Lucerne, one of Switzerland's most picturesque bodies of water. Surrounded by majestic mountains, crystal-clear waters reflecting the sky, and charming villages dotting its shores, Lake Lucerne is a sight to behold. As our boat gently glides across the lake, take a moment to appreciate the stunning scenery that unfolds before your eyes. The majestic peaks of Mount Pilatus and Mount Rigi rise majestically in the distance, their snow-capped summits seemingly touching the heavens. Let the tranquility of the lake wash over you as you soak in the beauty of the Swiss landscape. During your cruise, consider hopping off at one of the charming villages that dot the lake's shores. A cruise on Lake Lucerne is an experience that will linger in your memory long after your trip. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure as we ascend Mount Pilatus on the world's steepest cogwheel railway. This exhilarating ride offers breathtaking views and a healthy dose of adrenaline. Enjoy ever-changing panoramas of Lucerne, the lake, and the Alps. The scenery transitions from lush meadows to rugged cliffs and dense forests. Look out for the legendary Dragon's Lair. At the summit, be amazed by panoramic views. On a clear day, spot up to 73 alpine peaks. Explore the summit, hike to lookout points, and savor the fresh mountain air. Whether by cogwheel railway or gondola, the journey creates lasting memories. All aboard for a fascinating journey through the history of transportation at the Swiss Museum of Transport, a must-visit for anyone interested in trains, planes, automobiles, and more. This interactive museum offers a captivating look at how Switzerland became a global leader in transportation and innovation. Step back in time as you explore the museum's extensive collection of locomotives, vintage cars, aircraft, and even space travel exhibits. From the first steam engines to modern-day bullet trains, from classic automobiles to Formula One race cars, The Swiss Museum of Transport showcases the evolution of transportation in a captivating way. The museum is highly interactive, with numerous hands-on exhibits that allow visitors of all ages to learn while having fun. Climb aboard a real locomotive, experience a flight simulator, or take a virtual ride on a high-speed train. The possibilities for exploration are endless. Don't miss the museum's planetarium, where you can embark on a mesmerizing journey through the cosmos, exploring the stars and planets in a stunningly realistic setting. The Swiss Museum of Transport is a testament to Switzerland's ingenuity and its passion for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. All aboard for a fascinating journey through the history of transportation at the Swiss Museum of Transport, a must-visit for anyone interested in trains, planes, automobiles, and more. This interactive museum offers a captivating look at how Switzerland became a global leader in transportation and innovation. Step back in time as you explore the museum's extensive collection of locomotives, vintage cars, aircraft, and even space travel exhibits. From the first steam engines to modern-day bullet trains, from classic automobiles to Formula One race cars, the Swiss Museum of Transport showcases the evolution of transportation in a captivating way. The museum is highly interactive, with numerous hands-on exhibits that allow visitors of all ages to learn while having fun. Climb aboard a real locomotive, experience a flight simulator, or take a virtual ride on a high-speed train. The possibilities for exploration are endless. Don't miss the museum's planetarium, where you can embark on a mesmerizing journey through the cosmos, exploring the stars and planets in a stunningly realistic setting. The Swiss Museum of Transport is a testament to Switzerland's ingenuity and its passion for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Step back in time as we stroll along the well-preserved Museum Wall, a medieval fortification that once protected Lucerne from invaders. Today, this historic wall offers a unique perspective on the city and a glimpse into its fascinating past. As you walk along the ramparts, imagine the soldiers who once patrolled these walls, keeping watch over the city below. The views from the wall are breathtaking, offering panoramic vistas of Lucerne's rooftops, the winding Reuss River, and the majestic mountains in the distance. The Museum Wall is punctuated by 9 towers, each with its own unique history and architectural style. Some of the towers are open to the public, allowing you to climb to the top for even more stunning views of the city and its surroundings. Walking the Museum Wall is like taking a step back in time, offering a tangible connection to Lucerne's medieval past. Our journey through Lucerne concludes at the Lion Monument, a poignant tribute to the Swiss guards who died defending Louis XVI during the French Revolution. Carved into a sandstone cliff, the dying lion embodies both strength and sorrow, a moving testament to the bravery and sacrifice of these fallen soldiers. As you stand before the monument, take a moment to reflect on the history it represents. The inscription above the lion reads Helvetiorum fidei ac virtuti, Latin for "to the loyalty and bravery of the Swiss." The serene pool of water reflecting the lion's image adds to the monument's somber beauty. The surrounding park provides a peaceful setting for contemplation, allowing visitors to pay their respects and reflect on the sacrifices made in the name of duty and loyalty. The Lion Monument is a powerful reminder of the human cost of conflict and the enduring strength of the human spirit. Well, there you have it, our whirlwind tour of Lucerne, Switzerland. From its charming medieval architecture and captivating history to its breathtaking natural beauty, Lucerne offers an unforgettable European experience. We hope this video has inspired you to add Lucerne to your travel bucket list. Whether you're strolling across the iconic Chapel Bridge, exploring the charming old town, cruising on Lake Lucerne, or conquering Mount Pilatus, Lucerne has something to offer every type of traveler. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Lucerne adventure today and experience the magic of this enchanting Swiss city for yourself. Thanks for watching and happy travels. Inspired to visit Lucerne? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more